Hello, I'm Amaryllis. I will show you how you can turn a plastic bottle into a fun Halloween decoration. What you will need to make this craft is a plastic bottle. Try to find one with a round top like this one. You will also need a white fabric. I will use an old bed sheet. You will also need a fish line or rope, a piece of black fabric or black felt, of course scissors and cutter. You will also need a light bulb. It's a fun addition to your craft. You can make the ghost without it, but it's much funnier with a little light at night for an Halloween decoration. Let's start crafting. First, take the plastic bottle and you will cut the neck of the bottle and the bottom. You can use scissors or cutter. This is the start of the ghost. Now take the fabric, open it, and you will need to cut a large piece of fabric to cover completely the bottle. Let me show you how. So fold the piece in half, fold it in half again. So at this point you have 4 layers of fabric, and then one more time. Place the bottle on this side where you have all the folds. So the fabric must be long enough to cover the bottle. It can be longer, but not shorter. So you will cut here. Cut the fabric and you will have a large square of white fabric. This is the piece of fabric. As I said, this side must be longer, a little bit longer than the bottle. Now I will make a little hole at the tip of the fabric. Just like that. And the fabric will come on the bottle like that. Now let me show you how you will hang the bottle. You will use the lamp. So this one I will remove the socket as I don't want to use it. Some of the lighting have little hooks. This one do not have one, so I will just tape a piece of fishing line. And I will just fix the rope of the fishing line on the back of the lighting. Then I take the 2 ends and I make a knot. See? And I will pass the rope and the knot through the bottle. And you can see the lamp is inside the bottle, and I have the remote, of course, to turn it on and off. Then to make the ghost, I will pass the rope, the fishing line, into the small hole I made in the fabric. And you can see where I want to go. The ghost is almost finished. I will use felt and cut 2 eyes on it to finish the ghost, and then glue the felt eyes on the ghost. And I will just place the eyes on the ghost. I think it's a good place. And I will just glue the eyes on the fabric. And this is how the ghost looks like. You can turn the light on and off. As you can see, it's a very easy and fun craft to make, to decorate for Halloween, and you can hang the ghost inside and outside. Let me show you something else. If you don't want to use a light to hold the ghost, you can do something else. So you will use the bottom of the plastic bottle that you previously cut, so here, and you just pinch a hole in the side of the plastic bottle here. Then you cut a piece of a fishing line. You pass it through the hole. You make a knot. And you will use that to hold the ghost hanging. So you slide this part inside of the bottle and you grab the fishing line on the other side, pull it, as you can see, you can hang the ghost that way. And then same that's previously, you place the fabric on top of the bottle and you pass the rope or the fishing line through the small hole you already made in the fabric. And that's it. You have the ghost without lighting, but this option is very cheap and easy to make. You can make as many ghosts as you like and hang it wherever you want. Have fun crafting for Halloween! Do not forget to like and follow for more easy craft ideas!